Hi everyone, Rainey here, and today I'd like to do a review of the Malone Microsport trailer that I just purchased a while back. And this was the low bed one. They have the normal size one and a low bed. I wanted something lower to the ground to make it easier to back into the marina and launch my sailing canoe with pontoons. So it is a Malone trailer, and I purchased it from eTrailer.com. Let me go ahead and show it to you right now. So here it is, the Microsport trailer. Now this is something we ordered it online, and it came in about, I believe, 5 separate boxes. Now let's start out with the Malone trailer itself. Like I said, we got this, we had to put it together. Once I finally got all the parts, it went together really easily. Notice I said once I finally got all the parts, and I'll explain that in a moment. But as a result, we got this trailer. It has 12-inch tires, very sturdy. I'm very pleased with the quality of the trailer. It runs really nice. It has shocks. Matter of fact, you can see the shocks right there. See right by the tire, right by the center of the tire, you see that shock, that little thing going like that there underneath. So it runs really nice. And now those cross members, you can see I actually put pool noodles on top of the cross members so I could take my canoe, which is way over there being blown by the wind already, and put it on here, and it won't get scratched up. And of course you can see I have pontoons on the other side of the canoe, and it's way over there, and the pontoons will kind of hang on each side. I put it together and back it right into the water all at once. And it came with all the wiring and the lights, and it even has a little plastic doojiggy there to hang the license plate beneath the lights. Now the lights not only show their those digital lights, but not only are they very bright, but the one with the license plate actually has a bright white light going down and reflecting over the plate. So like I said, the tires are very nice, high quality. Even comes with a little hubcaps, or what do you call it, those center hubs. So it was a very good trailer, or it is a good trailer. I love it. So getting right down to the nitty gritty of it here, the quality of the trailer that Malone puts out was exceptional. I'm very pleased with it. The ordering it through eTrailer.com was extremely disappointing. I got it put together, and like I said, I'm very pleased with the trailer. Everything works fine. The hitch and connecting it, and the wheel assembly over here, I purchased that on my own. It actually comes with this part here to be able to hold it up, but I purchased this add-on wheel so I can wheel it around and make it easier for my back, also through eTrailer. So that's it, the Malone Lowrider. Now if you want the regular size one, look at the crossbars. Again, those are bars going in through the noodles. Those are metal bars, but those metal bars, instead of connecting to this right here, which they do, it has a taller bar, like a U one that you would get, that brings this whole assembly probably about a foot higher. Matter of fact, I have the taller bar also. I ordered those just in case I wanted it. And you can see it right out here on top of the wooden horses. So that connects, and my cross pole with the noodle would be going right over on top of here. So you can get it a little taller. I just chose to get the shorter one. So I hope you enjoyed the review. Malone trailer, a thumbs up. And one more thing before I forget, I believe the weight rating was about 700 pounds. So for most small boats it'll work fine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.